Okay, hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. I quickly want to do this video because today is Saturday morning, and as I just opened my WhatsApp, the messages I'm getting, two main messages I'm getting. So please, and these are mistakes that people are making in their registration now. Please kindly share this video so it can help someone to avoid this mistake. The first mistake is not if you have done a change. You wrote JAMB last year, and because of it, maybe you had issues, admission issues because of your name, or you changed something on your data. You have done JAMB before and you change. Please make sure when you get to the CBT center, tell them you want to change your data on the JAMB portal. You have to do that before you start your registration. If not, the same data that was there before, the old one, will still appear, and it means you have to take JAMB again next year. Are you with me? I've heard people complain that when they go to the CBT center that these people are not answering them. You will get my point, that there's so much people, there's pressure on them. Find a way, beg them. Are you with me? So they can help you do that data override and you then register. Okay. Now, the second mistake is email. I've been saying this thing. I've been clamoring it. Sorry, excuse me. I've been clamoring this thing about email. Please make sure your email, you look at it very well before the person click submit, because they are under pressure, a lot of people, and they want to make money as much as possible. Are you getting my point? Make sure you check your email well. And if you've already, like, two people have done that mistake. A father called me and said his daughter, the person is sent to follow her and all that, they made that mistake. So what you do is that mistake email that they type in, quickly go on Google. If it's Gmail, quickly go on Google and go and create that mistake email. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't just stay there. Quickly go on Google and check if it is available and create it and just keep it, so that you can access your JAMB portal. Are you with me? So these are the two solutions. Please share this video. All right. So if you've made the mistake of email already, that mistake email that you made, quickly go on Gmail and try to see if that account is available. And luckily for you, if it's available, create it and keep it. Have the password. You get my point? So you don't miss two ways. So that is the solution for that email problem. Please, if you are still registering now, be careful with that email. Make sure they check. I think the mistake for that father is, when you put your email and you put those numbers, make the numbers like 2 so you don't make mistake. I think he put like 3 numbers, and the operator mistakenly removed 1 number. You understand what I mean? When creating email, they'll say put your name and some numbers. Make those numbers short. Don't make it too much, so people don't make mistake when they are typing. And for you, make sure you check all your details. Please don't let them put you under pressure. Check all your details. If you are a new person doing JAMB the first time, check all your details before they click that submit. Okay, check everything. Some people have complained about the operator making mistake with their local government, making mistake in this, making mistake in that. Please, these people are human beings. They can make mistake. So you check your own very well before they click submit. So these are the two things I opened my phone and I'm receiving this morning. People not doing the data override, which they are supposed to do first before registering, and people making mistakes in their email. Why is the email important? Because that is where you are going to access your JAMB portal. That is where you are going to be able to enter your JAMB portal to upload your results. If you want to do any change of institution or university, that is where you do it. If you want to what other thing, you want to accept admission, it is your JAMB portal that you do it. So your email and password of that portal, of the email and the password, is critical to access your JAMB portal. Okay, I just quickly want to do this video and drop it. Kindly share so someone don't fall victim of this. Okay, so you are blessed, you are destined to win. Yes, if you want to get your JAMB form e-pin, we generate at DTW Tutorials. You can use it anywhere in the country. All right, students who ask me, ma, if I buy from you, will I use? Yes, we've sold to countless students, and in several states, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano, we've sold, Kogi, and they have registered. They've used it to register. If you want to retrieve your profile code, you are still having profile code issues, you can contact me. The only one I can retrieve, let me quickly tell you, and this is also to also tell people, if you know you are not going to register for JAMB, do not generate profile code, because that is the major issue I'm getting. People will generate profile code, they won't register for JAMB, and they will lose that SIM. And there is no way for us to track it because you didn't register on the portal. The only way we track and help you retrieve is when you are registered, your name is on the JAMB portal. That's the only way we can register and we can retrieve and track. So when you're coming to me for that one, your solution is to go to JAMB office and complain. Are you with me? But if you have done JAMB before, you've registered on the portal, you lost the SIM, you don't have access to your portal, contact me. I can help you track and retrieve it at a fee. Okay, so that's it. Any profile code issues you're having, you can always message me. Our WhatsApp details is on our video description box of no bio link. Just click, you see our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me. All right, is that all? So yeah, we also offer online classes. You can join our online intensive classes. Join our groups. In our groups you see your JAMB syllabus, subject combination, how to fill your JAMB form, everything. Just join our group. It's informative. When you are in our group, you are informed on every updates. All right, so join DTW tutorials group. All the links is in our profile bio. You see it. Just click on the link to our WhatsApp, our Facebook, Telegram group. Go there, you see all the things that you need to download, all right, to prepare your recommended textbook. Okay, and if you want the Lekki Headmaster, it's on the DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, it's there now. Questions and answer, your summary of all the 12 chapters, and also your digital past questions is on the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice all your subjects. Name it: geography, French, music, PHE, every you see all those subjects that you will never see past questions in markets is on the DTW CBT app. So you can't miss it using DTW CBT app, JAMB CBT app to practice. You can download it on Google Play Store. If you want the link for your laptop, contact me, WhatsApp us, and you can also not miss it with DTW online classes intensive. Okay, we're giving you double portion. Apart from the live classes, when you get into the WhatsApp group, there's also brainstorming session. Are you with me? Quizzes every week. We are here to make sure you pass your exam. And when you join us today, you have access to all class videos right from when we start November till date. So you can watch it in 1 week and you have covered so much. Are you with me? If it's you that you're just starting to read today, that will help you. Come join a community that would support you to ensure that you cross this bridge and gain admission into university. We are here doing seminars for you. Even after JAMB, we also provide you with services, giving you information about all schools, their post-UME, everything. We help you. So do make sure you join the groups. And in the groups, you can always contact the admin for anything you need. Okay, all right, so please do share this video, those 2 mistakes, so others can avoid it. Don't rush to go and register. Don't rush. I think it's this rush. Don't rush. Yes, registration closes 8th of March. Are you with me? 8th of March, that's 1 month from now. Don't rush and go and make mistake. You know what? 5 people have come to me this email mistake. 2 people now, this NIMC override, they just went to register. They are not informed that they should change. And the worst thing is that at the CBT center there, they are so busy that they won't even tell you that you are supposed to do override before you register. They just want to register. Are you with me? You can't blame them. They are under pressure. So please stay in the groups and be informed. If you have any problems, WhatsApp me. You are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. You can make it in Christ Jesus. Come to Him today. You are DTW, which is what? Destined to win. Stay blessed and see you in our next video.